Hey everybody, Steve here from Timberlake Creations. Again, if you are watching this video, you probably are looking to download and 3D print my Doctor Doom armor. Now, if you'll notice, I have multiple different sizes and different scales that you can print from. So I, for instance, am 6'2". There is a set in there just for me. I scaled it to my body. But let's say you're, I don't know, 5'9". There's a set in there for somebody who's 5'10". So the question is, will that fit you? And the answer is, I don't know. But here's how you check it. Okay. This literally takes minutes and it's worth doing every single time because it's going to save you filament. Instead of guessing and then printing something and trying it on and then it doesn't fit and you get pissed at me. And I'm like, I didn't do anything. You took the risk. I recommend sizing and scaling from the small 1/6 version up to your body. But if you want to run the risk of doing it this way, here's what I would recommend you do on top of just downloading and printing. Okay. So, first thing you're going to need cosplay calipers. I have a set, it's in my profile. Download them and print them. Okay. So, let's take a look at some of this stuff. Okay. So, we've got right the pauldrons, the gauntlets, the knees. This is the belt, the chest. It's all already sliced up. But let's check a couple of things to see if it actually works. So this is for a 5'6" young teenager, and I am a 40-year-old 6'2" male. So let's check the dimensions. So here is the bottom of one of the wrists of the gauntlet. Okay, so we go in here and we just go like this. We hit measure and we'll pick 2 points, 1, 2, and it's 58 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, 58 millimeters. Now, is that going to fit me? I don't know, but why not check it? It takes 10 seconds. So break out your cosplay calipers, measure your wrist. There we go. It's about the maximum. Pulling it back and forth. Okay, so now I'm going to break out my actual digital calipers, right? Make sure they're on and on 0. And then I'm going to open them up here. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm measuring that distance, and it's 55. Okay, so that might fit me, but it's 3 millimeters. I mean, that's that. So again, it's they're not all guaranteed to fit you, but you got to double check these things. So will this fit me? Maybe. I mean, trying to get my hand like this and shove it in there, that's potentially a problem. So what I would recommend doing is sizing and scaling everything to your own body. But again, if you want to cheat the system and try it this way, so again, in this case, this is for like if you look up here, it's for a 5'6" dude. But I would go in then and open like the 6'2" one and measure those and say, hey, okay, well this wrist diameter is 60" or 60 millimeters. That's much better. This will fit me better. Okay, so what all can you check? So we got that one. You could check the pauldrons. These things are split directly in half. So all you'd have to do is check this number. So 125, give or take. So it's 250. It's 250 across. So go like this. Measure this, right? Okay. It wouldn't be that low. It's about there. Now I've got that dimension. Just break my cosplay calipers out. It takes literally 10 seconds. And it's 132. So yeah, that would fit perfectly. Again, it's 125 versus 130, so it'll go over perfectly, right? No problem. Easy peasy. That'll work. The helmet you'd have to check edge to edge. So again, like if you want to fit your head in this thing, if you want to check to see if your head fits, just find the hole right here, right? This is the smallest diameter, so that's going to have to be where your head goes in, and just measure it. I know my number is 150 ear to ear, so let's check ear to ear. And 152. And again, this is for a small teenager. So this might fit me, but why wouldn't I just measure it all to my own body? Right? So again, that's what I would recommend you doing. If you're going to use the pre-sized and scaled, you should definitely check the dimensions off your own body. It takes 10 seconds And it's so much better than printing and then you getting upset and going, oh, this doesn't fit. The guy screwed up. It's like, just double check the math. It takes literally seconds. I hope this helps. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, and I am part of it, and I am here to help you. So enjoy and message me with questions.